What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute. I've been sick and I've been out for quite a long time, actually. So I'm glad it's over. Energy's back. I'm doing good. I'm excited. Got a lot of stuff going on. If you guys don't know who I am, my name's Matt. I run a laser engraving business out of my garage and embroidery. And it's awesome. It's going good. Hope everything's going good with you guys. I wanted to make this video because people are asking what I'm going to do for heat this year because of the new shop. So I'm going to get to that. Also, I wanted to mention XTool is running a sale. If you guys are thinking about getting an XTool in the next couple of days for Black Friday, it's 60% off. Just thought I'd throw it out there. Marker also is running a sale. So that's if you want to get a Galvo laser. They're running a sale also. So there you go. So the heat, what I did this year, and I got a little bit of explaining to do. So what I did is I put in mini split. It has been awesome. Like, no joke, the best thing I could have ever got. Like, by far. So I installed this. The problem is, this will only heat up until 5 degrees. And once it's 5 degrees out, then, or no, negative 5 degrees. After that, it won't heat anymore. So what I have to do is I was going to run a propane line in here. I'm not going to anymore. But what I was going to run, and this is what I was going to tell you guys, is, you know when you go to a hotel and you get like the heater in the AC unit in the hotels, you can get one of those that actually has a heat pump in it. And then when it gets too cold, it uses regular heat. And you can have AC. And they run about $700 to $800. That's pretty cheap. That's what I was going to install in this wall. But things have changed. So God has said, you need to take a different path. So we're going to take a different path. And I won't probably be here too much longer. Let's put it that way. So business and everything, I'm still going to do. Don't worry about that. Still going to do this video. Or these videos, I should say. But yeah, things are just going to be changing. So what I'm going to do now is I have this installed. And then I'm going to get a stand-up heater, and I'm going to hook it in, like, basically part hook into the propane, my propane tank. And that's what I'm going to use for backup heat. I also have a wood stove, so I'm not too concerned because the house doors are open, the garage door is open to the house. Excuse me. Over here, that door is open to the house, so it's fine. Yes, a ton of orders. Wait until tomorrow. I got more JDS stuff coming. It's been great. I hope it's going good with you guys. This has been awesome. I'm excited. This year has been slow, and then the election came and gone, and it's like this past week has been ramping up, like really ramping up. So I bought some more equipment for the sewing machines or embroidery machines. Sorry about the wiggly camera. I'm just doing this off my phone. I'm like, I got to make a video. I haven't done one in a while. So I got some stuff coming for that, for some new jobs that I'm excited about, and I'll share them. The next upcoming video, I actually figured a bunch of stuff out on these two machines. So I'll be doing a video on that, and it's pretty much tension. And I really figured out a bunch of stuff, and it's been going good. I've been talking to a buddy of mine, Donnie, and Smart Stitch back and forth, and we've just been trying to figure different things out, trying to get it working. And I think we got it figured out. It's been awesome. So this guy over here has been running nonstop with just engraving. So you can see I put a piece of wood in here and I have scribe lines on there. You see that? And that's where it's a grid. So I know exactly where everything needs to be placed in there. And then this UV laser, I'm probably going to be saying goodbye. I went with the bigger one. So that'll be coming soon also. And I'm having issues with my stepping motor on this, the rotary. So I'm going to have to get a new one, I think. We'll see. Wait until the other laser comes. But yeah, just wanted to give an update. I'm still alive, still doing good. Hope you guys are doing well yourself. And you keep plugging along and keep pushing along. And stay positive. That's the main thing. Stay positive. Go out and talk about your business to other people. Stop at other shops. Make sure they know who you are. Drop off a business card. Use the aluminum business cards. It's a wow factor. Big time. So my voice is just starting to come back. It's starting to get crackly. I'm going to let this one go. And next video you'll see will be with smart stitches and then probably the new UV laser. That's what I'm guessing. So glad you got to see me again. Bye.